We're doing a network IP cameras for this customer. This is the first phase, and the other one will be on that shop. We already wiring. We already started the wiring on that shop. We're gonna bring the data over a network bridge, wireless bridge, to here where we have the network rack and all the equipment. That's another camera right here. We have another camera right here and a couple more inside and on the back. Let me show you the network. This is our network equipment, the rack equipment for the customer that we set up for him a couple of months ago, and all the white cables, it's for the cameras. We're gonna have the DVR mounted, NVR mounted right there with a patch panel. The UPS battery backup will be mounted below the rack, below the NVR. And the cameras will be with an extended HDMI to the office with on a 55 inches screen TV. This is the back. We have two cameras right here pointing at the entrance. Here we're gonna dig a we're gonna trench a hole with a pole right here. The pole is gonna have a license plate card reader. It's gonna be showing the database of the NVR, and that's also another bridge that we set up. Anyway, we're gonna move to the back where more cameras are gonna be installed. We'll show you that on another video. Okay, we're heading to the shop. The customers want to be able to see the this diesel container. We're gonna install camera there, and this is the entire shop for the trucks and employees and all that. So pretty much is to cover all corners, all areas. And there's a little office here inside the shop. We're gonna have all the a network rack. Let me show you. And we have one camera right there. We still running the cables here for all the corners and installing cameras like that cable, and all the cables gonna go there, run down the office into the network rack cabinet, and that will be filmed when it's ready, and I'll show you guys.